Now look student, question number 3 Roman 3 from exercise 3.1 class 9 advanced maths. Now look student, the question is, if log base 10 to equal to a, then find the value of log base 5 2, and then log base 10 4, and log base 100 2. We'll have to find out these three values one by one depending on this one. This is the condition given here. So let's have a look how to solve this one. 3 Roman 3. Now look student, 3 Roman 3 here, 3 Roman 3 here. Now look how to solve this one. Given log base 10 to equal to a, the first one. Now look, this is the given condition. For the second case student, what is we need to find out the log base 5 to, we need to find out this one. So here directly I can write that log base 10 2 and log base 10 5. Log condition is given here, log base 10, so there is only 5. I can take the log 10 as a base anytime. This is the rules of logarithm actually. Now by using the formula here, since log base n m equal to, the formula is actually log base a m and log base a n. This formula I am using here, log base nm, so log base am, log base an, log base an. Now look, this value equal to a, so in place of logarithm base 10 2, I can write here that I can write here a only, but here I need some changes because log 5 is there. Log 5 there can be written 10 by 2, means if I go for the cancellation, then 5 will be here. Now look again, will remain this one same, log base 10 2, and this is log m by n. Log m by n formula means log m minus log n, so log m minus log n. By using the formula, I am using the formula here, since log base a m by n equal to log base a m minus log base a n. This is the formula I am using here. Now look student, now in this case this equal to 1 obviously, so look, log base 10 to equal to a will be put down here a, same here a also, but there is only 1. Now look, here I am writing a, there is 1 minus a, and why this is, look here, since log base a and a equal to 1, look here 1, our first one is gone. For the second one, now look for the second case, there is log base 10 and 4. This is the second case we need to find out. Now look, this can be written like log base 10 and 4 can be written 2 square. Now in the next step, 2 into log base 10 2. Why? There is a formula. The formula is actually, look here now, since log base a m p, which means log p equal to log base a m. This is the formula. Now this value equal to a, so look here now student, so here I will write here 2a. Why? Because the given part is log base 10 2 equal to a. This is the given part, so just I will put down the value here. Our second part is also gone. Look student, for the third case is given here, that log base 102. Now look how to solve this one. Student, here also will use the same formula which I used in the first case. Look, the log base 10 2 and log base 10 100. By using the formula that since log base n m equal to log base a m by log base a n, this formula I am using here. Now look after that. Now look student, after that this will remain same, like log base 10 2. and these can be written like log base 10. 100 means 10 square. Now look here, the next step, log base 10 2, and these 2 will come down here, so 2 into log base 10 into 10. Now using the formula here, since log base a m p equal to p into log base a m, this formula here, look, log a m p, so p into log a m. Now this again equal to 1. Look here in the next step, this is actually the value of a, so we'll write down a here, and 2 into 1. The reason is, since log base 10 2 equal to a, this is the given part, and log base a equal to 1, so in place of this one is 1, so answer is a by 2. Our third part is also gone, so we have find out the values of log base 5 2, and answer is a by 1 minus a. Log base 10 4 equal to twice a, and the third one is log base 100 2, and equal to the answer is here, that a by 2. So students, our question number 3 is also over.